Hi everybody.
Hi guys.
We just wanted to put this message out there before this next vlog started that we really appreciate all the new subscribers and the likes and the comments.
It really does mean the world to us, so thank you so much for your support.
Thank you. We'll see you in this one coming up. Good morning.
Guys. We're off to do our second half of the Golden Circle. So today it's going to be Gullfoss, Geysir, and Thingvellir. And we will see y'all when we get there.
Gullfoss is supposed to be amazing from what the pictures I've seen.
So,
I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys there.
We stopped at some random lookout point information area. We're going to go up there and see what we can see. Those are the boards that are down below. These crosses here, I don't know what all this is. There's stairs. Oh, why use the stairs when the fence is ripped down?
We've been talking for an hour.
There's Rich, just climbing up a random mountain. It's getting steeper and steeper, so I'm not gonna go all the way to the top. I'm just gonna stay down here. Little monkey can have fun.
We just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul. Everything.
Hey y'all, just arrived at Gullfoss. It is windy
as hell here.
AF. It's
The drive
annoying.
here was really bad too. There was a bus in front of us. It looked like it was going to flip over.
It was scary, to say the least. But we got a peek of Gullfoss and it looks amazing already. Except, you know, your girl always has to pee, so gotta go do that first.
Walk up some stairs to go to the bathrooms.
Gotta walk up some stairs and then put on our crampons because it's
It's
slippery.
really icy.
It's slippery and windy. Not a good combo. So, yeah.
See you there.
Poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told myself the more we keep trying. Been told myself and find myself again. We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck.
Do not,
Oh my gosh.
I repeat, do not come to Gullfoss on a windy winter's day.
I think it's at least 75, 80 mile per hour winds out there. You have to lean into it to stay standing, and it's cold.
It is insane. Whew, do not come here. It is beautiful, but do not come here on a windy day, friends.
No, it's bad.
It is insane.
It's bad. I'd wait for a day for it not to be windy
Yeah.
to come here.
Oh, Lord
All right,
Jesus.
on to Geysir.
Geysir.
We just got to Geysir, and it is same wind again.
Same effing wind. Not okay, guys. Not okay.
We're gonna go try to walk through it. See if we don't get blown over into a geyser.
See if we can see this thing blow up.
All right, I'll try to
see
get some
y'all
video.
Guys, Geysir is the most disappointing thing in the world. Do not come here. Oh, somebody just fell.
Oh.
It went off 3 times. The first time it was about 2 feet high. The second time it was about 2.5 feet high. And then when we've started walking away, it went off a little higher, but it's not like what you see in people's videos, like this beauty shooting up into the sky. No, absolutely a waste of time.
It could be because of the wind, but
Could be because
look like
of the
it was
wind.
going to shoot that high.
But it was not good at all. I mean, if you're here on a sunny day when it's not windy and you got nothing else to do, then sure, drive over here. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. Other than that, hard pass.
No, I wouldn't come back here again.
Hard pass. Anyway, we're going to go to Thingvellir. Hopefully that's worth it. We'll see you guys there. Bye. Hey guys, quick update. So we were headed toward Thingvellir and the road conditions were so bad because the wind was blowing the snow. It was like we were in a blizzard. We literally could not see the car in front of us. We couldn't see an inch in front of us. So I started freaking out. Richie respected that and turned around. So now we're heading back to Reykjavik. Thankfully, it seems like in Reykjavik, the weather isn't as bad as it is out here. I just got a confirmation email saying that we are still on for the Northern Lights chase tonight. So hopefully that works out. But
The wind was blowing so hard up there in those mountains. We were in between like two mountains, and the wind was blowing so hard that it was coming across the road, and you could not see in front of you at all. I had to stop, and I had to turn around in the middle of the road. Luckily, nobody hit us.
yeah.
It was,
But we
it was
couldn't,
bad.
yeah, we couldn't tell because we literally could not see an inch in front of us. It was all white. It was so scary. But thankfully now we're back on 35, which is the road that will take us down to the 1, and then that takes us straight to Reykjavik. And it's like
This
the
one's
weather
not bad.
here, the weather here,
It's a crazy difference.
not bad at all. This, I wish I hadn't been so scared in that fudging blizzard so that I could have videoed it and showed you guys, but it's like National Geographic stuff that you see in Antarctica. It was crazy. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get back to Reykjavik, and hopefully we'll have some Northern Lights pictures
Hopefully we see some Northern Lights.
to insert somewhere in here.
Today's the last, or tonight's the last night. We're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying.
This is what it was like, but about 10 times worse.
Yeah, 10 times worse than this is what that mountain road that we were on was like. This doesn't even
nothing.
scare me right
I can
now.
see the truck.
That's how bad the mountain road was.
Leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
We were just walking down this alleyway here,
Snow fell in my eye.
or roadway, and we're walking, and we're like, hey, how do you get out?
Hey guys, sadly we did not get to see the Northern Lights. They want us to come back or go see them somewhere else, I guess.
There's too much cloud cover. Couldn't see anything.
Yeah, not for lack of trying though. We ended up back at Thingvellir, of all places. Do not come here.
And the wind was magically gone up there.
So, yeah, it just wasn't meant to be this time, I guess. But we will see you someday, Northern Lights.
Yep.
We will.
If it's not here, it's going to have to be somewhere else.
Yeah. Maybe Finland or Norway or
Maybe in Canada somewhere.
maybe in Canada somewhere. But we will catch you. We will. Alright guys, that is
I think
almost it.
this is the end of our trip.
This is our last night here. We head back home tomorrow, so we'll probably just do a good morning and a quick hello before we get on the airplane, and that's gonna be it for this.
Yeah, that's it for Iceland.
We hope you liked it, and we're not sure when our next trip is gonna be, but we can guarantee that there will be another trip because we love to travel.
Yep.
So maybe next time it'll be somewhere warm.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Been